What's up, guys? So I'm finally gonna get back to making some videos, and I do have a new tripod. I did get a new tripod from Walmart, and I got a microphone, so you probably hear me better. But but today I went to Walmart and I got some hooks right here, like this, so I can put my fishing rod, so I can hang my fishing rod maybe like that way, like long ways or something. So yeah, so now I'm going to go downstairs and hopefully someone gets started before I gotta go practice. Alright, so I'm in the basement, so this is where I'm gonna put it. That's like my closet where I keep most of my fishing stuff. So we're gonna get this. These are what we're using right here. These things. Pretty good. We have some of them like around the basement that we use. I got those for the big rods, and then I got let's see, 4 of these little ones for my bait casters right there. And I did get a new bait casting rod, so that's the one with the rod cover over it, so I don't hurt it, because it's kind of like my most expensive bait caster that I've ever used. So I'm gonna take these off. I'll get back with y'all when I'm done taking everything off and out of the package. So I got the first one. I got the first top rack done. I'm gonna see if it fits. Hopefully it does. It should. It's a good fit. So now I gotta get the other one done. Alright, I got the second one down. So this is the new rod. So it's a Penn Battle 2. It's pretty nice. I like it. Pretty smooth. I haven't made. I mean, I used it once in the ocean, but we're on a pier. But that's about it. That's good. Now I gotta do my bait casters. So I got them all up. I mean, they are somewhat cricket, but I mean that's okay. So I'm not gonna complain. I got my 2 big saltwater. I got 2 bait casters, but yeah. Then this is where I keep all my other rods and reels, and I don't know why there's a stick right there, but there is. So yeah, I got all that. Got that. So if y'all enjoyed that video, drop a like, subscribe. Be very appreciated, because I'm trying to grow this channel. This YouTube channel. So subscribe, share this video. So if you got buddies that like doing what I do or like watching what I do, make sure you hit the bell next to it so you get a notification when I upload a video. So see y'all next time. Have a good day.